And like, you know what I don't like?
What you don't like?
Ghetto bitches.
Hell yeah.
Like, what I'm trying to say is, why all these ghetto bitches gotta be so fucking ratchet? Like,
Yeah.
what the fuck?
Hold up. Tell them about the one in Walmart.
Let me tell you about this bitch I saw in Wally World. So, tell me what I was walking down like the aisle in Wally World, whatever. And I saw like a blue thing go past my peripheral. And I was like, what the fuck is that shit? So I went to go investigate what it was and shit. And so I was like, no, this bitch ain't got a whole full head of blue hair. Like that
Blue
shit
hair.
was
And she was
gel
black.
down blue, bitch. Black as fuck. Like, bitch, you don't even know black as fuck. And then she had Oreo in the side of that
You don't
shit.
do that. That's something
Bitch, that
you
is
don't
not
do.
cute, boo boo. And if you look at this
Something
video, boo boo, take that shit out your head.
Take it
like,
out.
That shit ain't cool.
Pink and blue ain't you.
It ain't boo boo.
It
Like,
ain't.
stop that shit. And then so like, you know what else I hate about ghetto
Wait, what
bitches?
else?
They so fucking stank and trashy.
Yes,
Like,
and
what
they think
the
they
fuck?
shit.
Do you see how them bitches walk? Like, what the fuck? You trying to walk? You got ass. We got
Yes.
shit back there, bitch. Like, what the fuck
yes.
you doing? Like, your ass is all poked
I
out
know
and
what
shit.
you talking about.
Like, what the
I
fuck?
know.
Like, bitch, you got something stuck up in your ass. Like, stop that shit
You
right
ain't got no
now.
ass. We got
like,
ass. You ain't
stop
got no
this
ass.
shit. Stop the madness. Stop it right
Yeah.
now.
And you know what I can't stand?
What?
When bitches talk all this shit and they don't do nothing. You see me up in freaking Walmart and you don't say nothing. You don't say
Bitch,
nothing.
if you can look, you can say some shit.
But I'll get on your ass though. What?
Exactly.
Get on your ass.
Anyway,
That ass.
ghetto bitches. And if you're a ghetto bitch looking at this video, feel free to comment below.
Below.
Cause I don't give a fuck
That
about
ass.
shit.
That ass.
Ghetto bitches. Okay?